And it's like, do you know what? I really like this. So for me, we're kind of trying to tick a number of boxes. One being obviously moisture management, surface leaf wetness, to remove the dew by rolling when we're not mowing, to ease disease pressure as much as is possible, to increase presentation on days that we're not cutting. And I'm really interested to see, because there has to be a change within the plant, the physiological change in the plant, that rolling does something to the plant. Now, I exactly what that is, I don't know, but it obviously stimulates something, and it's going to be really interesting for me to see moving forward, because this is something that we do regularly now. So whenever we don't mow, we roll.
Yeah.
And it's going to be really interesting to see. So from a disease and we've got a control area which we're actually not rolling, because not really going to know it's working if we're not comparing it against something. So so that's the kind of thought process behind it. And it's, from a time management point of view, it's quick, it's easy, it's clean. So that's kind of where I'm trying to go with it, really.
Excellent. Yeah, we'd really be interested in finding a bit more once you've looked at that control plot and the findings you get. And something we've been working on with Tom is looking now at how we, let alone have the ability to add to a second-hand older unit, but also come up with a toe-behind fairway roller that is designed for fine turf grass, not just a single roller, but using our triple roller head. So that'll be coming out later on. But certainly, when we look at fairway height cut, it's getting pretty close in some ways to what greens used to be. So where we can be utilising rolling to, and as Tom says, to create or activate the good bacteria in the soil and around the plant to provide that healthy, sustainable position. Rolling is certainly delivering that. So, because you're certainly